Hey y'all, Dime Bree Barbecue back in front of the grill today. If you're coming back, welcome back. And if it's your first time here, hey, thanks for checking us out. Today we're going to be talking sheet pan chicken. This is an easy dinner, quick. You can make one pan. I mean, we're going to have a bowl too, but it all cooks in one pan. Let's get into prepping that up. Let's get into making sheet pan chicken. So let's kind of go over what we've got here. We've got about 1.5 pounds of baby gold potatoes. We got one squash, onion, and then I also have some Brussels sprouts and asparagus. We're going to be seasoning everything with just kosher salt, black pepper, a little Lawry's, and some oregano. Let's get into getting this thing ready. First thing you want to do is I like to come in and just half my potatoes, makes them cook a little better, and it gives you a little bit more room in the dish. Wanted to leave them whole, you could, but I just think it works better if you slice them up. All right, we'll just get those in our bowl here. Next thing we're gonna do is the squash. Let's go ahead and lop the ends off of it. I like to take and half it. And then I like to leave these pretty big because they're gonna be cooking in there for a while, so something like that. Toss them off in our bowl. Then we just have the onion. Just gonna go ahead and take the root off the end, take the head off, and then we're just gonna quarter this guy up. Again, toss it in our bowl. Now that we've got all that in the bowl, I've already kind of cut up our asparagus. So this was just some leftover asparagus that I had in the fridge. That's what's great about this meal, is you can use a little bit of everything that you have left over. So I'm just gonna go ahead and toss this asparagus in here. And then I also have some Brussels sprouts. I've already kind of cleaned those up. We're just gonna go ahead and throw them in there. They're not quartered, they're not anything, just a whole Brussels sprout. Now that we've got that in our bowl, we're gonna come back a little bit of olive oil, drizzle that over the top. And then we're gonna come in with some kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of Lawry's. Then we'll come in with a little bit of oregano. Now we'll go ahead and mix this up. Whoop, lost the Brussels sprout. Lost an onion. Go ahead and mix this up. Make sure it gets nice and coated with all that seasoning, and then we're just gonna kind of set this aside. Next, we're gonna come in with the chicken. Today, I'm gonna be using chicken thighs. You can use chicken legs, you could use chicken breasts. I really like the thighs in this though. They just are easier to eat with it. It just makes for a better dish. But use whatever kind of chicken that you want to. These thighs are a little messy, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean those up a little bit before we get them in the dish. Come in here and take some of that excess skin off. I'm just kind of trying to square these up a little bit just to make them look a little better. I mean, you don't have to do this, but I kind of like to do this. It just makes it look better. We got the last one here. We're just gonna go ahead and clean it up. Like I say, you can see this extra little skin here. We just want to kind of get that cleaned up. Nobody wants to eat that whenever you're serving this. So go ahead and kind of square this one up. That'll work. We've got our thighs pretty much cleaned up. Like I said, I'm not trying to do anything real aggressive on them. I just want to kind of get them cleaned up so it's a better eat. So now that we got the chicken thighs all cleaned up, we're gonna go ahead and season those. Well, I'm gonna start out with season these with first is gonna be this garlic jalapeno rub from Heath Riles. This is a great rub. It's just got an awesome flavor. I'm gonna use it as the base coat on these, and then we're gonna come back with salt, pepper, and the Lawry's. the meat side and then the skin side. Then we're gonna come back with the salt, pepper, and the Lawry's. A little bit of kosher salt, black pepper, Lawry's. Repeat the process on the skin side. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, Lawry's. Then I like to hit them with a little bit of this oregano. It just gives them that, I don't know, it's just a good flavor. Now we've got our chicken all seasoned up. Try to pick up as much as we can off the board here. Make sure that chicken's nice and seasoned. Now I've just got a pan. You can use whatever you want to. Like I said, this is sheet pan chicken. I'm gonna just be using this round pan to put all my stuff in. This is gonna go on the grill. So we'll just go ahead with our veggies, dump them in. I like to kind of try to even it out a little bit, just so you have a little bit of veggies everywhere, just to kind of make it cook better. And then we're just gonna take our chicken and it's just gonna go right in on top. Got everything worked into the pan here. Now that I'm gonna get the grill fired up, we're gonna be cooking these things at 400 degrees. It's probably gonna take about 45 minutes. We just want that chicken to get done, but I'm gonna get that grill fired up and I'll bring you back. All right, so we've got that grill cruising at 400 degrees. We're just gonna go ahead and pop this sheet pan chicken in there. We're gonna let that thing go for about 45 minutes, give or take. We'll come out and check it maybe in 30, kind of see where we're at, but I think it's gonna take about 45 minutes to get that thing cooked. We'll be back. All right, so we got that sheet pan chicken off the grill. This thing wound up going about 45 minutes. We just wanted to get that chicken to about 180 degrees internal. That's all we were looking for. 45 minutes at 400 degrees. This is an easy weeknight meal, or if you just need to clean out your fridge and throw a bunch of stuff in a pan and cook some chicken on it. This is a great dish for that. We're gonna get in here. I'm gonna see if I can't get a taste of it. I don't know what's going on, but we'll just take a little potato here. The potatoes are tender. That was really all I was worried about, was if the potatoes are gonna get tender, but those potatoes are tender. Now let's go ahead and get in here, see if we can't get a bite of this chicken. That chicken's juicy, it's flavorful. You get the hint of the oregano with all the other spices that we put in here. Hey, if you need a quick weeknight meal, or if you just want to throw something together, this is the one to do. Sheet pan chicken out here on the grill. If you like what you see here, I've got some other pages. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all under Die and Breed Barbecue. This is what we did today. Sheet pan chicken out on the grill. Thanks for watching.